Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Brix air cooler at home. First, gather your materials: a few porous bricks, a shallow tray, and water. The principle is simple. As water evaporates from the brick surface, it draws heat away, creating a cooling effect. This natural process can reduce the ambient temperature around the bricks by several degrees, making your living space more comfortable without electricity. To begin, choose several standard red clay bricks. Their porous nature is key for effective cooling. You'll also need a shallow, waterproof container, such as a baking dish or plastic tray, that is large enough to hold your bricks without overcrowding. Make sure the tray is at least 1 inch deep to accommodate the water. Having these items ready ensures a smooth setup process for your DIY air cooler. Now, let's set up your brick air cooler. Carefully arrange your chosen bricks upright in the shallow tray. Next, pour clean water into the tray until it reaches approximately 1/4 of the way up the bricks. The bricks will slowly absorb this water through capillary action. As the water evaporates from the brick surfaces, it will naturally cool the surrounding air, providing a refreshing effect. For optimal cooling, place your brick air cooler in a strategic location. Positioning it near a fan will help circulate the cooled air more effectively throughout the room. Consider placing it on a windowsill, a bedside table, or any area where you desire a noticeable temperature drop. Remember to check the water level daily and add more as needed to ensure the bricks remain saturated and continue their evaporative cooling action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.